Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back.
Hi friends, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today we're standing in my master bathroom because we are cleaning and decorating and giving this room a refresh. I'm really excited because I've never really shown you this room before because I've never really done anything to it before. It's very bland. It's not really decorated at all. I haven't really done anything to it since we moved in a couple of years ago. So today that's changing. We're not doing any crazy renovations, but I am showing you how to freshen up a dated bathroom on a budget. I'm showing you how to modernize and make the space feel spa-like and cozy. So if you like these kinds of videos, make sure you give this one a big thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started. So before we get to the cleaning and the decorating, I wanted to show you a quick before shot, kind of a quick glimpse, just to show you how dull and boring this space really was. I didn't even have decorative towels hanging up, very little decor in here. So the first thing that I'm going to do before I get to the cleaning is I'm just going to clear off all of the countertops and all of the spaces so that I have a clean slate to work with. I really adore this window. It is gigantic. That sits over our bathtub and it overlooks all of the trees and all of the pretty greenery that we have in our backyard. It's very private, hence why we don't have any kind of window treatment on the window itself. I just really love all of the natural light that it brings into the bathroom, and I don't want to take away from that. But with that being said, this window gets really dirty, really dusty, lots of watermarks quickly. So I try to take off the paint and clean this window a couple of times a year, if I'm being honest. I think at least every 3 or 4 months. Before we get any farther into the video, I wanted to quickly mention that if you happen to be new around here today and this is the first time that you're stopping by my channel, I just wanted to say that I'm so glad that you're here. My name's Amy, and here on my channel I do lots of cleaning and organizing and decluttering and home decor motivation, and I would absolutely love to have you join my YouTube family. So if you like what you see today, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below. This jetted tub is by far the focal point of my master bathroom, and I really wanted to draw inspiration from that. I love coming and taking bubble baths and relaxing and unwinding after a long, hard day, and I really wanted this bathroom to feel like a spa. And even though it's a little bit dated, it's not exactly 2020 trendy, that's okay. There are still ways I'm going to show you here in a minute how you can incorporate decor pieces to modernize it and really work with those brassy tones that I have going on in here. Okay, raise your hand if cleaning your bathtub is your least favorite chore. Or better yet, give this video a big thumbs up if you agree. I cannot stand cleaning the tub. I don't know what it is, it's just my least favorite. But one hack I have that does make it a little bit easier is use the Clorox toilet wand to scrub. It's a great way to just kind of lengthen your arm and get in there without having to stand in the tub and make it a lot messier. It just makes cleaning it easier and honestly a lot more effective. There's bleach on the pods that I use, so it disinfects and it gets the tub really clean. So I just kept things very simple around my bathtub. I have a little plant there from Home Goods. I added some candles, and then I found these bath towels from Hearth and Hand at Target, and they are so pretty. They were very neutral but still had a little bit of pattern on them, and they're almost like a cloth material on one side, and then on the other side it's a terry cloth towel material. Self-care is always important, but it's even more important during these uneasy times that we're all going through. And I'd like to thank Function of Beauty for sponsoring today's video. I have loved being able to pamper, de-stress, and take care of my hair with Function of Beauty's customizable hair care products that are delivered right to my home. All I had to do was go to their website and take about a 2-minute quiz. You choose your hair type, your hair goals. Since I bleach my hair, I chose strengthening, split end repair, and hydration. I really wanted things that would help the overall health of my hair. You also get to choose your color and your fragrance. I chose eucalyptus and it smells amazing. It smells like a spa. And I also chose the mint green color, which is really pretty. And ever since I started using these hair products in my routine, I've noticed that my hair feels stronger and it really does feel healthier. I'm obsessed with it. I've been telling all of my friends and family. But my favorite feature is that you get to choose the name on the bottle. So all of my products say Function of Amy, which is so cool. I also received a leave-in hair treatment, which not only makes brushing my hair so much easier after I get out of the shower, but it leaves my hair feeling so soft and shiny. All of their products are 100% customized. There are no 2 bottles that are the same, and they can be added to any order. And of course, there are no parabens, sulfates, GMOs, or toxins. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Function of Beauty also offers a subscription service where you can get deliveries on your favorite formulas on the delivery schedule of your choice. So that could be every 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. You get to choose how often. And as a busy mom, that's one less thing I have to think about. And you can cancel at any time or change your formula by switching up the goals or scents as often as you want. So make sure you follow my link below to get 20% off your first order. Another great Target find were these brass and marble hooks. They matched my shower perfectly but added a little modern touch with the marble. And then I also had these gold mirrors. I've had them for years. I just haven't hung them up. They were in our old home, so I repurposed them and I hung them up above the towels, and I thought that added just a nice little touch. Now that the bathtub area is all complete, I'm going to wipe down our countertops, and I'm using the Microban bathroom disinfectant. I have been loving this for a few months now. It's in the lemon scent. It smells really nice. And I sprayed that on the countertops, and I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes while I clean my mirrors. And I'm just using the Method glass cleaner in the mint scent to do that. If you're wondering what that little piece of paper is that's hung by painter's tape above Caleb's sink, which babe, you really need to get that framed if you're watching this. It happens to be his daily affirmations, and I did not have the heart to take them down for this video, and I'm obviously not going to share them, but just know that Caleb is such an awesome guy. He's committed to loving God and loving me and loving our family, and things like that just remind me of how awesome he is. So love you, babe. And actually on Monday, June 29th, we celebrated 7 years of marriage. You guys, I cannot believe it's been that long already. I am so thankful. It's so funny to me how I often dread cleaning the bathroom. It's my least favorite room. You guys probably know that because I don't show it a whole lot in my videos, but it felt really good to give this bathroom a deep clean on this day. I don't know why I put it off, because once I do clean it, I feel so much better. Especially just knowing it needed a deep clean so bad, you guys. There were so many dirty marks, even here on the cabinets. It took me a hot minute to scrub all of it off, but getting it squeaky clean was the first step into creating this oasis environment that I was striving for here in the bathroom. And if you're wondering, I'm using the O-Cedar mop and I'm cleaning with a lemongrass floor cleaner. It has lemongrass essential oils in it, and it just smells really fresh and clean. We always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the One really easy way to give your bathroom a makeover without renovating is simply changing out the sink faucets. And so we went from this two-tone brass to this beautiful muted gold brass. It adds such a nice modern finish. I love it. And then I went ahead and added these fresh, clean towels to the towel hooks. That way it was easy access for whenever Caleb or I were getting out of the shower. They'll be great to just grab. We previously didn't have any kind of towel storage, so that will be awesome. And I found this rug at Home Goods. It was $30 for a 4x6, and I thought it added a nice texture to the space. I also found these beautiful flowers. I thought they were very airy, very bright and cheery, as well as the glass jug at Target. One way to cozy up your bathroom space is to incorporate some more lighting, and so I always have this small lamp sitting on the counter, and it just adds a really nice element of warmth. I found it at Hobby Lobby. I'm repurposing this tray as well as this small glass canister to store some Q-tips. The tray is from Kirkland's. I've had it for a while, but I thought it worked really well in this space. We have this long gap and the tray fit perfectly. I found this candle at Target. It's a lemon scent from Hearth and Hand. It smells so good, you guys, really fresh. And then I just added some aromatherapy lotion. I'm also repurposing this little basket I found at Target a while ago, and I'm just gonna roll up some washcloths and put them in here, mainly for show. If I ever really need one, I can use it, but I just really enjoy the way that it looks. The very last thing I did was add these adorable faux plants to the windowsill. I think they are so cute and they add a really nice organic feel to the space. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and that I gave you tons of cleaning motivation to get up and tackle some cleaning in your home. I hope that it also helped you with some decorating ideas and inspiration for your bathroom. It's amazing what you can do on a budget. I think this transformation looks incredible, and thank you guys for sticking around. Make sure you check out the link in my description for 20% off of your first Function of Beauty order. You guys are gonna love that product, and I'll see you all really soon in my next video. Bye guys.